In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the MyFitnessPal app. If you're looking to track your meals, log exercise, and stay on top of your health goals, MyFitnessPal is a great place to start. We'll keep this simple, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click depending on whether you use an Android phone or an Apple device. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. Make sure you have a steady internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, so pages load quickly and you're not using up mobile data. In the browser's address or search bar, type MyFitnessPal download and press enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official links that point to the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iPhone and iPad. These are the trusted sources for downloading apps. Avoid third-party download sites, as the safest and most up-to-date version will always be in the official stores. If you're on an Android phone or tablet, click the result that takes you to the MyFitnessPal page on Google Play. The page will usually open either in your browser or directly in the Play Store app. On this page, you can confirm you're in the right place by checking the app's name, the developer information, and the star rating. You'll also see screenshots, a description, and recent update details. This page is where you can review everything about the app and get ready to download it on your Android device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, click the result that points to the Apple App Store. Just like Android users, you'll land on the official MyFitnessPal app page, either in your browser's App Store preview or in the App Store app itself. Take a moment to confirm the app details, glance through the description, and look at the screenshots so you know what to expect once it's on your device. A couple of quick tips to make things smoother. Being signed in to your Google account on Android or your Apple ID on iOS helps the store page load correctly and ensures you can proceed without interruptions. Also, make sure you have a little bit of free storage space on your device so the app can be added without issues. That's it. Open your browser, search for MyFitnessPal download, and then click the official store link that matches your device, Google Play for Android or the Apple App Store for Apple products. Once you're on that official page, you're exactly where you need to be to move forward with adding MyFitnessPal to your device. Thanks for watching and enjoy getting started with your health tracking.